Hey, what's up? This is the first video to explain the book named Designing Machine Learning Algorithms by Hyun. This is the first episode to explain it, and this is the introduction to this book, okay? We have two questions. Whose book is for? This book is for anyone who wants to leverage machine learning to solve real-world problems. This is the first question. Second question, what this book is not? This book is not an introduction to machine learning. You must have any introduction about machine learning, what's supervised and so unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, and semi-supervised learning, and so on. This is an introduction about machine learning. And we have the overview about chapters. We have 11 chapters. This image about different components of an machine learning systems. Machine learning algorithm is usually what people think of when they say machine learning, but it's only a small part of the entire system. Okay, well, first we have a machine learning system developers. This is the entire book, and chapter 1 and chapter 2 we have a business requirements. I wanted to increase my profit. What should I do? Okay, this is the first chapter and second chapter, and third and fourth is the data. I must have a data to make a processing and make a model to know why my profit is going down. Okay, and fifth chapter we have, when I have a data I wanted to make feature engineering like remove duplicates, handle missing data, handle outliers, and so on. Chapter number 6, machine learning algorithms. After I have a data and make a feature engineering, I wanted to join this data to machine learning algorithms, logistic regression, or any algorithm in machine learning. When I join my data to machine learning algorithm, I want to check if my model is going better or not. We have a make a evaluation. Okay, and chapter number 7 and 8 and 9, after I made an evaluation and check my model is going better, I wanted to deploy it. Deploy means and make my model in a production to can publish it to the end users. Okay, and have a monitoring and update of logs. Okay, if my model need update I can do it. Okay, and some chapter number 10, infrastructure. I said when I made a deployment I want to publish it to make a production. Okay, and chapter 11 is the final chapter. I wanted to publish it to end users. Okay, in this image I have traditional software and machine learning. What's the difference between traditional software and machine learning? Traditional software I have inputs and patterns, and lastly I have outputs, like I have a function to add two numbers, inputs and patterns. Okay, I add two numbers and I have the outputs. Let's do, I wanted to add 3 plus 2. The final output is 5. Okay, that's about traditional software. And machine learning, I have inputs and outputs, and finally I have patterns. I have inputs like images about dog and cat, and I learn my model, and I have outputs. This is cat, this is dog. Okay, I have inputs and outputs. Finally, I have patterns. Okay, let's do more. Let's go deep to explanation to explain. Let's go deep to explain between them. Okay, and traditional software, it's a rule-based algorithm. When I said I have a function to add two numbers, it's a rule-based coding, and I have a static function to add two numbers. Okay. Second, solve deterministic problems with predefined rules. I said I have a function to add two numbers. It's a deterministic and predefined rules. And if I wanna update, it's a manual update and bug fixes based on a code changes. If I wanted to change in my code, I go to function and edit it. It's easy. Okay, let's jump to machine learning. Machine learning is a data-driven algorithms trained on a large datasets. When I said I wanted to make a program to check if it's cat or dog. Okay, I have inputs and outputs. Inputs images about cat and dogs, and outputs this is dog and this is cat. And machine learning solve complex problems with patterns and statistical analysis. Okay, and lastly retraining models. And when I wanted to do update, I can do retraining model or updating datasets. And this is an introduction about designing machine learning systems. And if you see it's benefit for you, please give me thumbs up and peace out.